Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. Today is day 14 of our W3 Schools Python series. So let's get started. In previous videos, we have seen Python introduction, how to install Python, syntax, comments, variables, data types, numbers, casting, strings. In strings, we have slicing strings. Today we will see that topic. Click on that. Yeah, this is the concept of slicing strings in Python. What is slicing? We can return a range of characters by using slice syntax. And also, we can specify the start index and the end index separated by a colon to return a part of the string. We will see this example. Get the characters from position 2 to position 5. Here not included means I will explain you in some time. Here b equal to hello world. This is a string hello world we are assigning to variable b. So print b of 2 colon 5. We will see practically. Click on try it yourself. Click on run. We got LLO means from the starting index 2 to the ending index 5. Here it will not print till 5. It will print till 4 only because last index will be excluded. 2 to 4 only it will print. We will see that. At the index 0 we have H value. At the index 1 we have E value. At the index 2 we have L value. So it will start from L and this index is 3, this index is 4. So slicing P of slice to colon 5, it will give from elements index 2 to 4. That's why we are getting LLO till 4 we are getting. For example, if we give like 6 till we get 5. Now we will get LLO comma like this. This is the concept of slicing. Slicing means from ending index to till what index we want the value. To print that value, we use slicing concept. I hope everyone clear with this. Now, slice from the start. By leaving out the start index, the range will start from the first character. We will see this example. Get the characters from the start to position 5. Here 5 is not included, means we already seen that last index is not included. Only till 4 we will get the value. We will see this example practically. So click on try it yourself. Click on run. Here B slice of empty colon 5. Here we didn't give any starting index. So it will take defaultly as a starting index as 0. So from 0 to 4 we will get the values. Here at the 0 we have H, at the E index like the 1 index we have E value, at the 2 index we have L, 3 index we have L, 4 index we have O. So hello HELLO it will print till the 4th index from the starting index. Like if we don't give any starting index it will take from the 0. Like if we didn't take any ending index it will print all the characters in that string. We will see that. Click on run. See, we got all the characters in that string. If we give empty without giving any index value, then it will print from starting to ending of the character. HELLO comma world. Like this, we will get the output. And slice to the end. We already discussed this concept just now. By leaving out the end index, the range will go to the end. Example, get the characters from position 2 and all the way to the end. B equal to hello world is a string. We are assigning that string to variable B, and print of B slice of 2 colon empty. We are not giving any end index value. So it will print till the end. Now we will see this example practically. So click on try it yourself. Yeah, see, B slice of 2 colon till the end. If we didn't give any index value, it will print till end. So at the one index, at the 0 index we have H, at the 1 index we have E, at the 2 index we have L. So it will start from printing L, LO, comma, space, world till the end. Because we didn't give any end value. If we didn't give any end value, it will print till the last. Now negative indexing. We use negative indexing to start the slice from the ending of that string. We'll see this example practically. So here get the characters from O in world at the position -5, but not included D in the world, position -2. We will see this example practically. So click on try it yourself. See here B of slice of -5 colon -2 means it will start from the reverse indexing -5 till the -1. Here -1 is the next value, right? So it will print till -3 only. See, from the last we have -1, D is -2, L is -3, R is -4, O is -5. So it will start from O, R, L. In this way, we have to use the negative indexing. Yeah, we have done. Now we will see the concept briefly. So here in strings also we can do slicing. From which part of the string we want to print, like from index 0 or index 1, index 2 till the end, or index 5, like that we can print the values in the string. We have seen slicing concept, slice from the start, slice to the end, negative indexing concepts we have seen. I hope everyone clear with these topics. In tomorrow's video, we will see modify strings. This is one of the concept. After that, we will see concatenate string, format, escape string, booleans, operators, list, tuple. We will see all these examples, all these concepts one by one. Yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep coding.